Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here Texas Instrument calculator. It weighs 2.995 pounds, might as well say 3 pounds. So at 5 cents a pound, it's only 15 cents for this. We're going to take it apart, see what we can find in it, see if there's anything good. Hopefully find something nice. A lot of plastic, but we'll see what's in it, so let's get it done. Another outside episode. It is a very beautiful day, so we're going to do this outside. Again, your cords tore off. This here didn't work no more, so it comes apart. I don't know if that's going to reach. Let's see this one. There we go. See what all's in here. Some low-grade boards. Got some low-grade boards. Bunch of little screws. Let's see, maybe there's something good on that. Maybe, or maybe not. You never know until we get her apart, huh? Lots of little screws. Oh, there's some gold on that board. Look at that. Gold egg. That's just plastic garbage. Look at that board. All that gold. Get this here board here apart. This is going to be more likely a low grade board. There's our board. Some wire. We got some IC chips we'll take off, but this is a low grade board. Take this off. Let's get this here printer off here and see if there's anything good on it. Don't really see nothing on there. Figure that's shred. That's just plastic garbage. Yeah, that might be stainless. this little thing for with the numbers on it. Do see some copper in there. Isn't that neat? Do have copper in there. Not sure how we'll get it out, but there's that. Had the numbers and stuff on it. It's garbage. This here feels kind of heavy. Got metal in it. We'll get that apart and see what it's on it. A little bit of copper. Steel shred. Looks like brass in that. This steel shred. That goes clear through, so we'll have to try to get that out. More brass. There's just a transformer. It's got some copper in it. We'll try to get that out. And then a switch. We'll take that apart and see if there's anything in it, and then just some plastic garbage. So, let's get this. See if we can get the copper out of this, figure out how it comes out. Not sure what these are. These must be the pins that push the numbers up against your paper. So, looks like this here pops off. Don't know if they're individually or if they're whole. Never took one of these apart. First time. Looks like they may be individually in there. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Should be able to pop them right out. Let's get this apart, see what's in there. And there's a transformer. I have to take the machete to that, which is not out here. Let's get this apart. Just stick that in the steel shred. Those aren't magnetic, so they're probably brass or aluminum. They look to be aluminum. We'll just leave them on. Get these here ICs off. Always use caution when using a knife. You never want to slip and cut yourself. Always cut away from yourself, never towards. There we got it. And there's our low grade board and our ICs. Alright, I'm gonna get this brass off and I'll finish. Let's do one of these together real quick, see how they come apart. I'd say put that in there like that. Give it a crimp. Do it the other side. Another crimp. And then it'll pop right off. Yeah, it's not a whole lot of copper, but it's some. Not much, but there's all for one. I got a couple more to go, so we'll get this cleaned up and when we come back we'll weigh up and see what we got. Look at what I found inside this. This is kind of neat. Looks almost like a alternator. Cool. Isn't that neat? Hopefully it just pulls apart, but I guess we'll find out. There's something I had to get that off, probably the one end off. And it pops off, and then this here slides out like that. So, kind of neat. And there we have it for the shred at 5 cents a pound. And 0.78 pounds, we got 4 cents for that shred. For the insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, at 0.19 pounds, we got 6 cents out of the insulated copper wire. For the 3 small IC chips, at 11.25 a pound, and it's 0.01 pound, we got 17 cents. For the low grade board, at 50 cents a pound, we got 0.14 pounds, that is 7 cents for the low grade board. I'm going to call this a peripheral low grade. I'm not sure 100%, but there's no ICs or anything like that, but there is visible gold. So at $2.35 a pound, we got 0.11 pounds, that is 27 cents. As for the brass, it's $1.80 a pound at 0.04 pounds, that is 8 cents for the brass, clean yellow brass. And as you can see, we got that zeroed in its empty cup. So, for all that copper, which I'm surprised I got that much copper out of this calculator, but for the copper at $3 a pound, we got 0.14 pounds, that is 44 cents for that copper. Like I said, I'm surprised that we even got any copper like that out of this, but it was kind of neat to see what came out of it and how it came out. And got a few nice little things, and didn't make much, but we got a little bit. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always a thumbs up is nice. And I'm going to keep these videos coming, and we'll do some more outside, and we'll go back inside when it's bad. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.